Hi, my name is Leah. Do you want to build your dream home or renovate, but don't know where to start? Or do the hurdles and red tape overwhelm you? Ario and his expert team are here to help with a one-stop shop pre-construction service. It's like an all-inclusive vacation package. My Home Designer takes care of all the designs and permits for you. All you have to do is relax and choose from your dreams' styles and witness how they take shape before your eyes. The expert team at My Home Designer serves you through the process. Call today for a consultation and let's start your project now. We design houses for people who are ready to reward themselves. Call today for a consultation and see how easy it is to work with Ario's team of professionals.